Hello students, welcome to Lambda scaling. In the previous video, we learned about Lambda configuration. In this video, we will learn about concurrency, types of concurrency and Lambda function scaling. Concurrency. Concurrency is the number of requests the function serves at any given time. There are two types of concurrency controls available. One, reserved concurrency. Two, provisioned concurrency. Let's understand reserved concurrency. In reserved concurrency, the maximum number of concurrent instances for the function is generated. If the function has reserved concurrency, other functions cannot use that concurrency. Configuring the reserved concurrency for a function is free of cost. Second, provisioned concurrency. It creates and allows a requested number of execution environments to respond immediately to the function's invocations. Provisioned concurrency is not free and it will incur charge to our AWS account. Lambda function scaling. One of the best features of serverless AWS Lambda is that it can scale automatically with traffic. AWS Lambda provides scaling in such a way that does not demand any custom engineering in our code. When we invoke the function for the first time, Lambda creates an instance of that function and runs the handler method for processing the event. After completion, the function remains active for a while and waits to process other events. If we invoke the function again while previous event is in processing, Lambda initializes another instance and the two events are processed concurrently by the function. With more events coming in, Lambda routes them to available instances and creates new instances as per the need. To free up scaling capacity for other functions, Lambda stops unused instances when the number of requests decreases. Concurrency limits. The default regional concurrency limit is 1000 instances. The default burst concurrency limit per region is in between 500 and 3000. It also varies per region. In the next video, we will learn about Lambda burst concurrency, how concurrency bursts are managed, and CloudWatch metrics for concurrency.